Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Rab. So I am currently here at ATC guys. So once again, Sabado pa rin ngayon. Dinner ulit as of the day guys. Wow, sorry. I'm looking down kasi nasa escalator ako. So guys, let's go find some restaurants that we're gonna eat for the dinner. So let's get it. So guys, we are here at the activity center. Wow, there's kind of an event right here, guys. So guys, nandito ako sa isang restaurant called Watami Sushi Bar, guys. Kanina kasi nung family ko pinag-usapan tungkol sa Watami Sushi Bar kung ito talaga yung papakain namin. Pero hintayin natin guys kung yun talaga yung yung final decision para sa dinner natin. So, let's go guys. Let's get it once again. So guys, it's been decided yung restaurant na kakainin namin. Oh. Sorry guys, didn't watch my step. Yung ito, Gloria Maris guys, dito kami kakain.
Yung Japanese?
Ayun.
Ano yung Gloria Maris? Yun.
Doon. Yan yung sinasabi kong Dad, yan yung sinasabi kong breakout yung sa mismong Diyan kami kumain eh. So guys, we are now in here at Gloria Maris. Wow, it's completely Pansin ko nga yung air eh. So guys, ito yung sit-on namin ng family. Hello ma'am. Wave ka naman. Hi dad. Dad, wave ka naman po. Ay nako. Nawala na sa focus. See you later guys. So guys, habang nag-wait ako guys, kasi medyo matagal na ng onte yung food na na orderin ko guys. I'm not sure if 10. I know sandali lang yun guys. Pero observe lang muna tayo ng onte. Let's get it once again guys. Bam! So guys, nandito ako sa other side ng ATC. Ang dami mga restaurants. Dami mga sites dito ng restaurant. Ay, they have cilantro over here. I've been there for one time guys when I was at the school ILLC. Ay, nagsarado na yung yabo. Sorry na cut up sa chase guys. Yung school ko is in about ILLC, Independent Living Learning Center. That's where I discovered cilantro guys. Let's observe a bit more. Let's get it. Okay guys, so we're heading back at Gloria Maris guys. Kanina pumunta ako sa Switch. Hindi nga lang ako nag-video doon kasi bawal. According kasi sa iba't ibang stores, bawal yung iba't ibang videos na mag-video ka talaga. So guys, let's go back again to Gloria Maris. Let's get it once again guys. So I'm here na guys, heading back. Ito na yung order ko. This is nice. Let's eat.
guys, tapos na kami kumain. Ay nako, sobrang na ako na umay at bubusog ako guys. Sobrang sweetness at saltiness ng mga pagkain guys.
So guys, nandito tayo sa konting labas lang dito sa ADC. Almost palapit na papuntang supermarket guys. Dito na yung Mary Grace, yung extension niya. All options like and Chili's. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you once again for watching this video guys. Again, nag-dinner kami every Saturday. So guys, make sure you subscribe my channel. Leave a comment down below. A big shout out kay Gabriel Oliveira, Ronald. Big shout out rin sa'yo. Ronald Rabena, big shout out. So once again, subscribe my channel. Smash that like button. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.